So, Miss Rachel, the popular Miss Rachel, recently made a public post saying she loves and supports to celebrate the LGBTQ community. And obviously, the internet has been reacting. Some people do not find it funny, while some people think there is absolutely nothing wrong with it. And honestly, I just want to share my own opinion from a biblical point of view. I think one thing a lot of people are mixing together is love and support, because those two things are not exactly the same. You can love someone without supporting everything they stand for. Christ said we should love our neighbors as ourselves. In the comments, many people are saying, oh, that is Christ-like, that is Christ-like. Love and support are two different things, and your neighbor can literally be anybody. So as Christians, we are called to love people regardless. Why? Because Christ loved us while we were still sinners. So the same grace and love we received, we should also extend to other people. But support is different. When you support something, it means you are standing behind that thing. It means you endorse it. You are helping push it. You are helping forward it in some way. So personally, I do not think love and support should always be used interchangeably. And I honestly think Miss Rachel knew exactly what she meant when she used the word support. Okay, now, so some parents were deliberating on whether their kids should continue watching her content or not. I think that is where discernment comes in. As Christians, as believers, we can't just be careless about what constantly influences our children. Life is spiritual. Trust me, there are spirits behind a lot of things. And whether people like hearing that or not, the reality is that there are influences behind a lot of things in this world. So you have to be mindful of what your kids are consistently and constantly exposed to. Not everything affects people immediately or obviously. Some things are subtle, and as believers, discernment is important. Now, this is just my personal opinion from a biblical perspective. I am not here to attack anybody or condemn anybody. I just believe Christians should stay prayerful, stay discerning, and let the Holy Spirit guide them. And yeah, that is my view on it. So we've come to the end of today's video. So if this has helped you in a way, do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please give this video a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd like to hear from you. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. My name is Margaret, and this is my YouTube channel. If you would like to come back to this YouTube channel, you can just click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell button so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, you guys are the real deal. You are amazing, and I love you. Thank you for your constant support. I love you so much. See you later, guys. Bye.